Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So after many days I came back. So there been like a busy schedule for me, so I could not upload my videos. So today we are going to discuss about Godavari River, which is also known as Indian Rhine. The Godavari River has been started in Western Ghats, Shayadri Hills, Brahmagiri in Nasik. The place is Triambakeshwar. So yeah, the length of this Godavari River 1,465 kilometers. It covers how many states? Three states: Maharashtra, Telangana, and AP. The catchment area is nothing but where the river where the river collects all its water and spreads through it. So that is a catchment area which is 31,000, yeah, 3,15,000 square kilometers. And the tributaries of Godavari River is in Maharashtra, it is Pravara River, Duduna and Purna River. In Telangana, it is Penaganga River. In Madhya Pradesh, Wardha, it starts from Madhya Pradesh, enters to Maharashtra and comes to Telangana. Venaganga, it starts from Madhya Pradesh and again it comes to Telangana. Pranahita, Indravati, Sabari, Manjira, Maneru. So all these are from, like, Pranahita is from Pranahita is nothing but combination of Penaganga, Vardha and Venaganga, where all the three rivers mixes. It comes as Pranahita. Indravati origins at Odisha, Sabari Odisha. So all these tributaries, we'll discuss each one tributary specifically. So first we'll discuss overall overview of Godavari River, then we'll go for each river. So this is like a mind map for Godavari River, like which river starts where. You can see like two Dudna River. You can see here Dudna, like it is a Maharashtra. Like I wrote all the state names where, like, easy to remember, mind maps kind of things. So these are the tributaries of Godavari River. And next comes in Telangana, it enters in Nizamabad district, Kandurti village, Ranjal Mandal. So specifically why we are going for village, Mandal district. So this is like we need to discuss everything prescription in Telangana. Next, Godavari boundary districts, like when it flows, which districts it touches, like which boundary districts it touches. In right side districts, these are Nizambad, Jagityala, Peddapalli, Jaishankarpalli, and in left side it covers Nirmal and Manchiryala. So Mulugu and Badadri also, the river flows from Mulugu and Badadri, but it is not like a borders. It flows through center, like it flows from center of Mulugu and Bhadradri districts. In Telangana, Godavari river covers 79%. That is the highest, Yeah, 79% of river flows in Telangana. So tributaries in Telangana. So we have many tributaries of Godavari, but specifically in Telangana, what are the tributaries? Right side tributaries and left side tributaries. Right side are Manjira, Haridra, Maneru, Kinnerasani, and left side Kadam, Penaganga, Vardha, Indravati. Pranahita and Pedavago also are there. Like, yeah, that are the tributaries of Telangana. So when we discuss each river, we'll know about these tributaries. So first is Manjira. Manjira, where it origins are Balghat Mountains, Beed district of Maharashtra. So it origins in Maharashtra. It is also known as Manja Halsi. So it comes from Maharashtra, Karnataka to Telangana. It covers 644 kilometers. Sangareddy, it enters in Sangareddy, Narayanakhed in Telangana. In Telangana, it enters in the district of Sangareddy. It passes through Sangareddy, Medak, Kamareddy, Nizamabad. The projects covered under Manjira are Singura and Nizam Sagar project. And the wildlife sanctuary, what is the wildlife sanctuary near Manjira river is Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is the info about Manjira river. Next comes Haridra river. Haridra is born in Nizamabad. So it is born in Telangana only, enters into Godavari in Nizamabad. So it is just a very small river which borns there only and just mixes with the Nizamabad, like Godavari. Here it forms Triveni Sangam at Kandakurti, God, Manjira and Haridra. Like there is a name, there is a river name called God, like Saraswati we can say. So it is this three river forms a Triveni Sangamam. Next comes Maneru, born in Rajanna Sirisilla in Sirisilla mountains, flows through Rajanna Sirisilla, Karimnagar and Jaishankarpalli, Bhupalpalli, sorry. And next, Karimnagar city on this river. So what is a city? So we can expect any questions like, when we study about any river, what are the things we need to cover is where it is born, on which hills, through which districts it is going to pass, what are the projects on that, and which cities are situated on this river. So these are the main things what we need to project on this river. So what are the projects on Maneru is Lower Maneru, Mid Maneru, and Upper Maneru. Next comes Kinnarasani. Kinnarasani born in Mulugu district. Like, for it's not born but its origin. To remember me, I wrote myself as like a born. There will be some key terms where we can remember, right? So I just wrote that. And Kinnarasani, Medaram, Tadvai Hills. It comes from Medaram Tadvai Hills, flows through Mulugu and Bhadradi Kottagudam. So you can remember like Kinnarasani flows only through two districts. At Burugampadu, it enters into Godavari. So these are the places: Burugampadu, Medaram. You need to remember things like where the Godavari districts, like Godavari river enters on which district, and which like Kinnarasani rivers, where in which districts it enters to the Godavari, which river. So such kind of things are like important factual things where we need to concentrate. Next, left side tributary. Okay, these are like right side tributaries. We have discussed earlier Manjira, Haridra, Maneru, Kinnarasani. What we have discussed is right side. Now it comes to left side: Kadam, Penaganga, Vardha, Indravati. Now we will concentrate on left side tributaries. Kadam. It born in Adilabad. It covers Adilabad, Bod Mandal, Bhatia village. Like, sorry. It does not covers all this. It born, like its origin is in Adilabad, Bod Mandal and Bhatia village. Flows into Godavari at Nirmal district, Kannapu Mandal, Dasapula village. Flows through Adilabad and Nirmal districts. What are the waterfalls? Okay, one more thing is like waterfalls. What are the waterfalls? It has been covered: Kuntala, Pocheru, Gayatri, and the tiger reserve. What it has been is covered tiger reserve. So you can see like Penaganga. It's just a small point, born in Maharashtra and mixes with Vardha. And Vardha, it will be in Satpura Mountains, born in Satpura Mountains in Madhya Pradesh, flows into Penaganga, where Adilabad, like a peak of the Adilabad district. And Venaganga, it origins from Madhya Pradesh and flows it into the Vardha. So mixes of all three rivers, Penaganga, Vardha and Venaganga, forms as Pranahita rivers. So Vardha, Penaganga, Venaganga, and flows in Komarambi, Manchiriyala, Jaishankarpalli, mixes with Godavari at Kaleshwaram. What are the projects is Medigadda project. So these are the things you need to cover. And next comes Indravati, comes to Jaishankar Bhopalpalli, like Odisha. It flows through Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Telangana. Mahadevpur, it flows into Godavari. So Mahadevpur is a place where Indravati flows into the Godavari. Chitrakoot waterfall in Chhattisgarh on this river is very famous waterfall to note. So note this point. Next is Sebari river. So all these are the tributaries of Godavari river. So today I have covered. And one more thing is like the districts which are when Andhra Pradesh and Telangana has been divided, the villages which has went to AP, the six most important villages: Kukanur, Koonavaram, Bhadrachalam, Velarampudu, Viyarpuram, Chintor. So these are the things what we have been covered in Godavari district. So there are other things also like projects and temples. So we'll discuss it in other wall, like what are the temples which covers in on the river banks of Godavari, what are the projects what we can cover. So this is it for this video, and thank you.